Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 3700 series. This is 3762, and this printer is HP Deskjet 3755, and this one is HP Deskjet 3772. These printers are HP Deskjet 3700 series. Want to show you how to connect this printer to wireless network. First of all, you need to put this printer in a wireless mode by pressing the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together for 3 seconds. And the printer is now flashing. Then you release it. Now this printer is in a wireless mode. Now to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, depending on the gadget you want to use, the next thing you need to do is download HP Smart App to your mobile phone or to your computer. HP Smart App, go to Play Store. So type HP Smart App, download it on your phone. It's already downloaded on my phone. Click it open. Now you need to select plus to add a device. Select plus. Choose a printer to add. Printer already connected to a network, or choose a new printer. So select the option 1, then select Wi-Fi direct. Select continue. Get printer ready, so select continue. Allow HP to find your printers. Select allow. Using location device, select OK. Using this app, now it's searching for this printer. You will see this information. My printer is not listed. Pull down the update to availables. Can select my printer is not listed as well. Printer not listed. Find my printer. Connect to device. HP will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect device, and they picked up HP setup 72 Deskjet 3700 series. Select setup and disconnected. So select continue. It will show you available network. Then you need to select your network when it appears. So this is the network available, so select on it. Now we need to put the password. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? You get the password from the network router. The information, the password you use for your Wi-Fi is also the same. So you need to make sure you have the correct information. So I have the information here to put the password. Once you type the password, you can press the I sign for you to check the information to make sure they are correct. And I'm happy with it. So the next thing you need to do is select done. Select continue, and printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Printer prepared. Now it's obtaining IP address. IP address obtained. Finishing connection. If you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi wireless network button is now steady blue light. It's no longer flashing. Here we go. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. You select continue. You require the pin. Open up the printer. You look, there is a pin number here. You need to type the pin. Once you type the pin, just close it, then select submit. Accept all. Connect printing service. Create an account or sign in to register your printer. Enjoy this HP account benefit: warranty, registration, and automatic software update. Print from anywhere. So you create an account, sign in or skip. So I'm going to sign in. I already have an account with HP. So select next. Select continue. Printer update, automatic update recommended or notify. So you select automatic update, select apply. Unable to connect the printer account, select continue setup. Setup complete. Let's print. So select print. You can also skip this. Select print a document. So select print. There we go. Welcome. So now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. It will ask you print from other device, not right now. And the printer is ready here. We'll show you the ink level, and the printer is ready. Now you can do so many things. You can print, copy, print photo, print document, and etc. Now, if you want to add this printer to your laptop, the next thing you need to do is we need to go to HP Smart App, download HP Smart App to your laptop, or you go to laptop settings, go to the settings. Now go to Bluetooth and devices. Go to printer and scanner, select. Now you need to add device. On top, select add a device. It will start to search for available device. So now it's searching for available device. You scroll down and look for HP Deskjet 3700 series. And it's showing us now the printer is idle. You can select test page. There we go. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Deskjet 3700 series to your laptop. Another thing, if you want to scan, go to HP Smart App, select HP Smart App, open HP Smart App up. Now you need to select add a device, select plus. It will start to search for printer available. Now bringing out the list of printers available. Some of them are offline, but you need to wait for HP Deskjet 3700 series to appear. So the printer is now found. It will show you HP Deskjet 3700 series online. So you need to select on it. And the printer is ready. Also showing us the ink level. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your phone and laptop. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.